Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to show how to make chicken fried rice. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 medium size sliced onion, 50 grams beans, 50 grams cabbage, 1 big size carrot and a half capsicum. I've taken 150 grams of chicken, black pepper and salt, and some spices for chicken. Here I have taken basmati rice. You can also use normal rice. So first step is to marinate our chicken. I'll add here half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of zira powder and a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can also add some food color into this. I'll keep this aside for another 10 minutes. Now take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, add sliced onion, saute it well for 1 minute. Now add chopped beans, saute it for another 1 minute. Now add chopped cabbage, saute this for 1 minute. Add chopped carrot, saute it again for 1 minute. Chopped capsicum, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute it well. I'll add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix it well. Let's fry our chicken now. Heat a pan, add some oil and place your chickens on your pan. Make a small pieces of your chicken and add it in your fried veggies. Mix it well. Now add your cooked food into fried veggies and mix it well. And here is done. Our chicken fried rice is ready. Looks delicious.